Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio. We're going to update the Dividend Tracker. We're going to update the share site, which is the name of the site that we use to track the performance of the portfolio. We're going to show you the buys today, but we're also going to show you how much dividends we received for the month of August 2022. We'll show you the Dividend Tracker on the spreadsheet on year-over-year growth. It's going to be a jam-packed video. There's going to be a lot going on. So we'll just get right into it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see here for the day, for the end of the week, portfolio closing out at $13,348.15, up $32.65 on the day, up 0.24%. For the 1 week, we're down $563.25, down 4.04%. For the 1 month, same result there, down $300.30, down 2.19%. For the 3 months, we're down $580.24, down 4.15%. For the 1 year, we are down $149.22, down 1.1%. For the all, we are up $1,008.59, up 8.15%. Now, even though everything seems to be going down, we continue to make our purchases, of course, every single week consistently, as we do to dollar cost average in, and gives you the opportunity to dollar cost average down. As you can see, VFV was one of those positions. So we have $48.87 in cash. And the position we bought today was Bank of Nova Scotia, closing out at $71.41, up 3 cents on the day, up 0.04%. We now have 17 shares of this. And our dollar cost average of getting in, as you can see here, is $71.83 and holds about 9.1% of the portfolio. Now, if we scroll down, if you don't know what Bank of Nova Scotia is, it's obviously a bank. Now, we purchased 1 share today, and this was the same stock we bought last week as well, I believe. But we purchased 1 at $72.49. And of course, every time we purchase a full share, we do purchase a fractional buy in VFV, which is the Vanguard S&P 500, closing out at $91.73, down $1.02 today, down 1.1% for the day. We own about 9 shares of this. Average price of getting in is $95.29 and holds about 6.31% of the portfolio. Today's and total return are completely off, so we'll ignore that. But as we do, we buy about $25 of fractional shares in VFV when we make a regular purchase. So what we'll do now is head over to trackyourdividends.com to update this portfolio here to show us what we are expected to earn in annual income. So portfolio yield sitting at 4.01%. If you're to build the portfolio exactly as it stands on here. Yield on cost for us based on dollar cost averaging is 4.35%. So we are getting a 0.34% difference than what if you were to build it today. And that's without the updated positions. As you can see here, we're getting about $529 in dividends annually, of course, divided by quarters. So we'll go ahead and add the new holdings here. So the first one that we have is VFV.TO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And the amount of shares we got in this one was 0.2722. And this was at a cost of $91.84 and a fraction of a penny. 842, perfect. And we'll go ahead and add that holding. Things change a little bit there, but we'll go ahead and add one more because we did make a purchase in Bank of Nova Scotia as well. And the ticker symbol for Bank of Nova Scotia is BNS.TO. We purchased 1 share at a cost of, I believe it was $72.49. And we'll go ahead and add that holding, and boom, there we are. So on trackyourdividends.com, it sits at $13,305 there. Portfolio yield, of course, is 4.01 if you were to build with the updated positions. Our yield on cost is now 0.35 higher, so 4.36. Our annual income has increased to $534. As you can see here, Bank of Nova Scotia, 17 shares. Price today was $71.41, change of about 3 cents. Our average cost of getting in is $71.83, which is, we're pretty close, so we're good. We're buying hopefully at a lower price than our average cost, so that's good. And we're down about $7.14, which is okay. Dividend yield is 5.77, so you are getting a better deal if you were buying anytime today. And our yield on cost is 5.74. We are getting about $70 per year from Bank of Nova Scotia, of course, divided quarterly. Next one is Vanguard VFE S&P 500 ETF. We have 9.2 shares, and price today was $91.73. We're down $1.02. Our average price of getting in is $95.25. And you would get a better yield today, of course, and it gives us about $10.33 per year divided quarterly. And so that is trackyourdividends.com. Annual income has increased to $534 for the full year, which is fantastic. And next we'll head over to ShareSite, which is updated already. ShareSite is a site that we use to assist us in determining the performance of the portfolio in the tax-free savings account. And it includes dividends and currency gains. So a little bit of foreign exchange, as we know, if you've been watching this channel for quite some time. Now, everything is updated with the positions. So we'll go ahead and just go through the performance. Capital gains, we're down $1,412.14, down 9.66%. Dividends were up $278.05, up 1.9%. Those are the dividend payments that we receive and then get reinvested when we have enough capital in the cash account. Currency gain, a little bit there at $98.41, up 0.67%. And our total return, as you can see, is down $1,035.68, down 7.09%. And here is the performance on the bottom if you want to see the breakdown of everything. So that is not Track Your Dividends. That is ShareSite. You can use it completely free unless you decide to pay for it, which gives you a bit more options. So not an advertiser, not sponsored by these guys or anything. I just really like the tool, so I do use it. So that is ShareSite. So we'll head back over to Wealthsimple Trade here, and let's talk dividends for the month of August. Okay. So as you can see, we'll go into activities here and we'll just filter it down into the tax-free and dividends and done. And for August 2nd, 2022, from Toronto Dominion Bank, we received a dividend of $11.57. If you don't know what TD is, it's Toronto Dominion Bank, a bank in Canada. One that's very, very popular among investors for some reason, I find, compared to its counterparts. So we received $11.57 from TD. Now, even though it was bank earnings this week, it's funny because most dividends came in as well. So you'll probably expect that they are all bank dividends. As you can see here, on August 24th, a little bit of a gap where no dividends were coming in, which is fine. We received $14.08 on August 24th from Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. Royal Bank is actually, I think, the biggest in Canada when it comes to size of bank. So Royal Bank of Canada is in there. We received $14.08 from them. The next one we received was from Bank of Montreal, the last to report their earnings in Q3. We received $13.90 from Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, on August 26, 2022, which brings our total dividends for the month of August 2022 to $39.55. Not a bad month, to be honest. And that is comparing, obviously, to the tracker that I'm about to show you. So on the screen here, I'll just pop it up. Boom, there it is. As you can see, in August 2022, last year, we received $22.94. In 2022 of August this year, we received $39.55. So as you can see in the columns there, in 2020, we didn't receive our first dividend until October, so there's no data there. But year over year growth, you can see that we have grown 72%. Now, I always say you want to treat yourself like a company, your investments like a company. You want to see growth year over year. You don't want to see, your earnings go down, or your profits go down. As we know, when those things happen to companies and they report not such good earnings, investors seem to get scared, and then it does like this little crash thing that does. But when it shows growth, more investors come in expecting more growth the next year. So just treat yourself as like a you company. Would you invest in yourself? Would you want to see growth? And of course, everyone would. So as you can see, 72%, not the biggest growth throughout the year. Our biggest growth was back in March there. We had a 271% growth in dividends year over year. So March of 2021 to March of 2022. But even 72% is a good amount of growth. This year so far, with tracking all dividends, you can see at the bottom there on the total, we received about $275.04 in dividends. Year over year growth in total compared to last year's total dividends, we're up 36% thus far this year. Net deposits this year is $4,728.26. Total invested since starting this portfolio is $12,405.95, and market value is now sitting at $13,389.56 at the time of recording. So that is our dividend tracker. That is pretty much it. I'm surprised I got it all compact that we needed to get compact in this video, but that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll continue doing our thing. And this weekend is the long weekend, so be prepared. Monday, the markets are not opened. So enjoy your long weekend. Enjoy the rest of summer, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.